Kadalong sisya kasngi ka bakaman ni kipad ba kanong po constituency ka Ripoy district bari ka jylla hi brokaway ka ba menta kasngi umendri rang ba ka jylla korat ke sama lo Plie pad ba no ya ka school ba bala tip kom ka Iklavia model residential school ha paham sim bat ka badai ru ka sin ka Nyngkong ha ka jylla ban yo kom ka ni ka school ban mento ki khun samla ha kliang ka puli puthi Hakani kasngi umendri rang ba ka jylla korat ke sama na lor ka ka jing play ya ka ka school ka balayat shot ka jing pelong class ulabu Mawnongrim ru na ka benta bantay ya ka synthetic athletes track ha chinchona paham sim pat ru ya Mawnongrim ka convention center ban satay ha ka shnang paham sim ha Ripoy district kiwe kibla sakhi lang ha ka ni kasngi jong ka jingkaman ka benta ki padpa ka Ripoy district ki kenthop yu mentri ka tanat puli puthi ubala ka man rumboy u mentri ka tanat bapet ya ka kam sports uba wailat mi ki jylla u mentri ka tanat bapet ya ka tanat CNRD uba sustenance sorten UMLA ka nongpo uba Meryl Bond sim KMDC ka nongpo ka kongrona Kimden u deputy Commissioner ka Ripoy Wabilash Paranwal lambat kiwe ki he officer sarkar kum ga jinkman habayo ikini ki pynroi la wanshim benta shidham ru nadu ki rangba shnong ki nong yalam shnong ki long me long pa ki samla puli hakate ka school Iklavia model residential school ka badai ka sin ka Nyngkong blala ban pentre kam ha ka jylla Meghalaya Habakran kumukong san hakani kasi mentri rang ba ka jylla korat ke sama uloong ba kini ki pynroi kila urlong ha ka jylla ka dayna ka jing kuluit min sim bat ka jing pai kmat lem mentri rang ba ka Narendra Modi mentri ka tanat tribal affair ka sarkar India bat ru lingba ka jing pai kmat ka sarkar India ban wanra ya kita ki pynroi ha ka jylla ban mentoi ki pai ba jong ka jylla Meghalaya ulapan paru da ka baong baka sarkar Meghalaya ka pai khamat pha sha ka tanat puli puthi namar ka jingang not ka long ban kintiu ya ka puli puthi ha ka ba tang ha ki nyosnam balalet nyo ka sarkar kala mangtingka sha ka tanat puli puthi hado 8,000 klur hausnam 8,000 khatpra bat menta usnam 8,000 pesan ka sarkar kala mang hado 1,000 san spa klur shaka tanat puli puthi bat kathong kalong ban kintiu ya ka puli puthi ha ka jylla uloong ru ka daw ba ka sarkar ka pai khamat sha ka puli puthi ka de ka jingang nur ban kintiu ya ka puli puthi ka babha tam ha ka jylla namar dei tang la da kiu ka jinglang jing start ki khun samla kindang la ban sandur bat ban wanra ya ke jingkala ne ke jingkiu shaprang ke jylla abaro kiliang uloong shushu la benrap ru da ka baong baka sarkar tang baka pai khamat tang ha ka bakin tiu ya ka puli puthi bakin sami ru hadu lai pratili ki school EMRS bala mangtingka hadu khat saus pa kulur henry ka sarkar ka pai khamat ru ban kintiu ya ki pynroi ha baro kiliang na ka benta ban kintiu ki padpa ke jylla ha baro kiliang una benrap
So ready, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Madam, yellow please.
No doubt, Ripoy district have really come up in sports in these past few years. And we have seen it ourselves by the achievement, whether it is at the state level, national, and even at international level. And for that, the government is here to assure you that we'll continue to support you. And once again, I would like also to take this opportunity to thank all the association, all the schools for encouraging our youth to pursue sports. And as you know that the government, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, is investing hugely in sports and youth affairs. Even today morning, before coming here, we were at the Mawnongrim, where today the construction of the India's largest football stadium has started.
The Minister of Education, Nanta Minister Badipet Yakatat Kapot Katia, but become sports. Agnikasi Hakaba Ilayo Ban launch Yaka academic session. Kalau sisa kasi dokumen Banten Pau Kamkam Habidai Bakapuli Kaputi Kaba Ki Kun Sama Lali Ki Longgien Ki Bangkot Por Banpa Iki Kun Nagapata Ki Jingkuli Ki Bakambiang Bansa Kadekala Kalenti Kaba Maki Kiyo Ban Bu Iki Kun Kiti Giduki Nagamanta Banyo Iki Jingkai Hapo Jogene Skul Nasupen hadu kata-kata Agba Gai Sakawai Paka Project Agabidai Paka Ki track and field Nangta Ki gallery Ivan Sashna Halia Po Pamsil But
Path which you can walk, that ring that you see on top. And then this will be lit up every night with laser lights. I don't have all the presentation, but the laser lights will light up this. And this is coming up in Nyngkong, right next to the football stadium, where again we'll have chariot. That is our assembly. This is our stadium, the biggest football stadium in the country. But we just went there today. We had a small prayer by Father Richard. He blessed the construction work and we started the construction today. So this is the Mawnongrim Football Stadium. Next. This is again Ekta Mall, the Unity Mall, which the construction again is going on in Shillong. Next. This is the Mawnongrim Aquatic and the Tennis Complex. This again will be an Olympic-size swimming pool where our youngsters will be able to obviously practice, and you can see the tennis courts on top. You can see the big buildings. Those are the hostels that are coming up, so that tomorrow we're able to host the national games in a very, very proper manner. And construction for this is going center. Again, a very massive project coming up in Sorum. And for this also, as I said, the funds have already been sanctioned. Very soon we'll be able to start the work. Next. No, not give me the one. Okay, so again it's a sports youth hostel. Again, this is coming up again in line with the national games. Next. Umyang redevelopment, we feel it's a great place where the tourists will really enjoy. Then I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because a particular region is not my community, not my tribe, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because our faiths are different, that we will not give you the development that you deserve. During election time, yes, we have our own political parties. Because as candidate, we are working towards the people who are supporting us. But when you become Chief Minister, when you are Chief Minister for those who voted for you and Chief Minister for those who did not vote for you. You are Chief Minister of your people, your tribe, your community, and of every single person who is living in our state of Nyngkong. And therefore, if you look at our development models, We have projects going on everywhere. And I find it very amusing sometimes. Today I have inaugurated this building and inaugurated the classrooms, and I'm laying the foundation of the synthetic athletic track right here in Nyngkong. I won't be surprised when somebody will comment from Garo Hills and say, oh, everything is going to Khasi Hills and nothing is coming to Garo Hills. And tomorrow when I go and lay a foundation stone in Garo Hills, then somebody from Khasi Hills will comment, oh, everything is going to Garo Hills and nothing is coming to Khasi Hills. Friends, we need to stop this divisive thought process and this divisive politics that is very, very toxic for our state. We are working for everyone. And I have made it very clear, not just through my words. I have never spoken like this. Only now I am talking in these lines. Yesterday I was with Basangwar Shulai, and so he was mentioning in his speech that our government believes in action and not in talking. But I feel sometimes we need to talk also, because we are too quiet sometimes. And therefore, friends, I urge, especially our youngsters, whether there is a project that comes up in Garo Hills, in Nyngkong, in Mawnongrim, in Williamnagar, in Tylli, it is our people, our state that is being developed. We are benefiting. Our youngsters are benefiting. We should be proud and we should be happy. I would love to see comments that should come from governments today that should say, we feel happy for our youngsters from Nyngkong area, from Ribhoi, for the academic session that has started, for the synthetic athletic track that we have laid down. And that is the kind of positivity that we'd like to see. And friends, we are not a government that believes only in foundation stone laying. Inauguration is being done